Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the door panel on this 2013 Dodge Challenger. Now what we're going to do is remove the door handle. We're going to go ahead and turn the door around, lay it down. There's a couple of, I believe, hex screws. And it is a T20. You can see it there. T20. There it is, the T20. We'll loosen this up. There's one here. There's another here. And I believe another one right here. There's also a pigtail we'll have to disconnect. Maybe later. Let's go ahead and remove those screws first. I'm looking at the replacement, and I don't think we're gonna have to remove that pigtail. So after we remove all those, it comes out. Throw that to the side. Install the new one. Open the door handle a little bit so you can slide it into the little hole. And just line it up to everything. Then we'll bolt it down. Put the screws back into place. There, and right there. Secure everything down and you are set. I'll flip this around. There's the old one. And there is the new one. Let's take off the protective little tape it has. Come on, tape. Swear, this is going to be the hardest part of everything. There you have it. Be gentle with the next one. They are plastic. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned to the next video of how to install the door panel back into its spot.